Want to know if an iPhone is locked or unlocked? Here's a quick way to check the SIM lock status using the IMEI number. First, type Apple in the category search bar. From the list, select Apple SIM lock. This is the section that helps you check the lock status of any iPhone. Next, paste the IMEI number of the phone you want to check. After pasting, click on Place Order. This will begin the process of checking the SIM lock status. Go to View IMEI Order History. Wait for a few seconds, then refresh the page to load the latest results. Now, check the details that appear. If the phone is locked, you will see locked under SIM lock status. If it is factory unlocked, you will see unlocked. That's it. Always check the SIM lock status before buying an iPhone. It's a simple step that can save you money and prevent future headaches.